Welcome to part 75 of Daily English. Today's situation. School and work, talking to your boss. Good morning, boss. Example. Good morning, boss. How are you today? Do you have a minute? Example. Do you have a minute? I'd like to discuss something. I have finished the report. Example. I have finished the report this morning. I'm working on it. Example. I'm working on it now. Could you give me some feedback? Example. Could you give me some feedback on my presentation? I'll finish it by Friday. Example. I'll finish it by Friday afternoon. Is there anything else I should do? Example. Is there anything else I should do before I leave? Thank you for your guidance. Example. Thank you for your guidance and support. Have a great day. Example. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Mini conversation. Employee, good morning. Do you have a minute? Boss, sure. What would you like to discuss? Employee, I have finished the report, and I'm working on the presentation. Boss, great work. I'll review it today. Employee, thank you for your guidance. Is there anything else I should do? Daily tip. When speaking with your boss, be polite, professional, and clear. Give updates on your work, ask for feedback when needed, and always thank people for their guidance and support. Speaking challenge. Imagine your boss asks about your work. Greet your boss, explain what you have finished, describe what you're working on, ask for feedback, ask if there's anything else you should do, and finish the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 76. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.